Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to start the engine in Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Alright, so let's begin. In the beginning we need to click the power button 2 times. Okay, just like that. And now we need to click the gas pedal 2 times. Okay, now we need to hold the brake, and now we need to change the gear into the neutral, just like that. Now again we need to hit the gas 2 times. Now we need to go back into the parking mode. Now again, we need to hit the gas 2 times. And now hold the brake and hold the power button. And now our engine has been successfully turned on. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.